Welcome to Homework Lib.
In this question, we have three identical parks sliding across ice. Okay, so park A, okay, is sliding with a speed of 2 meters per second. And then for B, the park is sliding with a speed of 4 meters per second. And then for C, the park is sliding with a speed of 6 meters per second. Okay, so there are two questions in this. There are two parts. In part A, we need to rank the parks by the force needed to keep them moving. And then we also need to rank the parks by the force needed to stop them in the same time interval. Okay, so in part A, okay, so it's the force needed to keep them moving. Okay, so the ranking is A equals to B equals to C. Okay, reason. Net force the parks are moving at constant speed. Acceleration equals to 0. Net force equals to 0. Okay, which is why the ranking is A equals to B equals to C, and they are actually equal to 0. Okay, so there's no need a force needed to keep them moving. Okay, then in part B, we need to rank the force needed to stop them in the same time interval. Okay, so the ranking is C greater than B greater than A. Okay, so reason, we can calculate acceleration by using delta V over delta T, and then our net force is equal to ma, which is m delta V over delta T. And then for the same delta T, okay, delta Vc is greater than delta Vb is greater than delta Va, because the for park C, it initially moves at 6 meters per second, and for B, 4 meters per second, A, 2 meters per second. Okay, so delta Vc is the greatest, followed by delta Vb, and then delta Va. And so the ranking for the force will follow C greater than B greater than A. Okay, so that's all for this question.